When it comes to items on this channel, I usually buy phones and I review phones, but I occasionally buy tablets to review tablets. And the tablets that I do buy and review tend to be quite old. Like later in the year, I'm going to be doing an iPad mini 2. Is it still worth it in 2026 style of video? Then I have one video, I believe, on the Tab A7 Lite. But the reason why I don't talk about it a lot is because I have a faulty one, so it's kind of hard to make a video for it. I have to let it sit on the charger for like 3 hours just to get 50% charge. It's kind of crazy. So it's time to get new tablets. I'm going to be reviewing more powerful tablets from now on, not doing exactly what my channel is about because I'm going to be buying brand new ones. Well, at least my first one I'm going to be buying is a brand new one. I'll be getting the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus somewhat soon. I think on Monday is when I'll get it, and I'll be able to do all the reviews and videos I want on Monday. For you guys, it's going to be days later, so for now, enjoy my other content that I make, but I just want to let you guys know as a channel update and as a life update that I think I'm tired of the tablets that are super old and like the budget ones. If I'm going to get a super old tablet from now on, at least for the time being, it's going to be, I'm laughing, it's going to be a lot more powerful than the ones that I currently have. You might be wondering why I'm making a channel update rather than some random tech video. I mean, the AI said don't make any Xiaomi videos on any of their products, and I have one right now. So, I mean, I'm going to, just so I have a video I can post every day, at least to pad out my content, but, I mean, yeah. Channel update. Let's see if this channel update does better than my Poco videos. Or my Xiaomi Redmi 15 videos. I mean, I like the Redmi 15C, but nobody does in America. You know what? I think I'll try a few more videos on Xiaomi, just to see how well it goes. I'm going to, like, really show people that Xiaomi in America is possible, but it's pretty darn tough. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the description below. And please like the video if you like the video. If you don't like the video, goodbye. And if you want more videos like this, well, subscribe.